There's a legal distinction in Missouri between a wanted and a warrant. Sometimes I'll have potential clients call me and they say, I've got a warrant out for me. Well, they may not have a warrant out for them. They might have a wanted for questioning out for them, okay? Oftentimes, a case in Missouri will begin with a wanted for questioning. That means the police want to talk to you, okay? They have some evidence, either from witnesses or who knows, video, DNA, who knows? But there's some evidence out there, and they want to talk to you because you're a potential suspect, and in turn, a potential defendant in a criminal case. Usually that starts out as a wanted for questioning. Okay, on a wanted for questioning, what the police can do, they can arrest you on a wanted for questioning, just like it was a warrant. However, they can't hold you for more than 24 hours until the wanted becomes a warrant because you've actually been charged, which means the police got their investigation together. They've gotten it over to the prosecuting attorney. A judge has signed off on a probable cause affidavit. And from there, well, then they can hold you till you post bond. But if they don't get that done, which a lot of times, unless it's an extremely serious case like a shooting, sexual assault, something along those lines, usually that doesn't happen within 24 hours. Okay, so the key issue is if it starts out as a wanted for questioning, what's going to happen to me? Can I get arrested? Well, yes, you can get arrested. The best thing to do, contact an attorney when you know that you're wanted for questioning. The attorney can then contact the law enforcement officer, try to get some details and try to figure out what's going to go on here. Should I make a statement? Should I not make a statement? And the number one thing that my clients care about is how long is this going to take? Is this going to take an hour? Am I walking out of there with you? Or am I going to be sitting there overnight? Usually, I can get that information as long as I know what detective or what police department we're dealing with, and then I can convey that to my client. It puts their mind at ease. The other side of that question is, well, what if it's a warrant? Okay, if it's a warrant, that's a different situation. That means we're past the wanted for questioning stage, and you've actually been charged. There's a warrant out for your arrest. If there's a warrant out for your arrest, well then, yes, you can obviously get arrested on it. You'll sit in jail until you post the bond. Okay, the initial bond that gets set by the court, a lot of times it's going to be too high for you to post. So, if you're in the situation, you say, okay, I know I've got a warrant out for my arrest. What do I do? Should I just go turn myself in? Absolutely not. Because if you go turn yourself in, you're going to be sitting in jail unless you've got that money in your pocket and you can post it. It might be a $10,000 cash only bond. Okay. So in that situation, contact an attorney. Call me. I can look it up, figure out what the warrant's for. And then from there, I'm going to contact the prosecuting attorney. I'm going to start talking about, hey, if I surrender my client and, we want to post bond, can I get the bond reduced? To do that, I'm going to need to know your personal history, the specific facts of the case, obviously. We could get that relatively quickly, though, but then I can start those negotiations, and a warrant out for my arrest, which is a really scary situation, can, sometimes be turned into just a meet me down at the jail with $500. I'm going to turn you in. You're going to bond out. You'll be out of there within 2 or 3 hours. And again, the point is, there's a warrant out for my arrest. It's a stressful situation. You got a lot of questions. You're nervous. You don't know what's going on. We got to put your mind at ease, because once that warrant goes away, the client doesn't have to worry about getting arrested anymore. It's just a matter of when do I go to court. If I need to be in court, my attorney's going to tell me, but we're going to walk you through that. Again, the point is to get your life back to normal quickly, because whether it's a warrant for questioning or a warrant out for your arrest, if you get that phone call or you get that card in the mail, it's a stressful situation.